Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hey guys, it's JanscrazyLife, and I am doing an unboxing for 1407 planners. So what they are is they make inserts for your traveler's notebooks of all sizes. I have showed before in a video that I am using a pocket size. This is Webster's Pages. I love this thing. And so what I'm going to do, I'll show you. Okay, we'll get into that. But let me show you the different inserts that I got. So it's so cute. It came with this vellum page that is so cute. It has, this is vellum, but can you guys see it's kind of upside down, but it's so cute. All right. So I kind of went through it already because I was deciding which inserts I was going to put, because when it's different. Okay, so I got this cute little, look at the flamingo, and then it came with a flamingo clip. Let me move that out of the light. And then in here is basically my receipt, and then it has this little chipboard piece, and so here's Elijah, you have to be quiet. It's 1407planners.com if you guys want to know. I've talked about it on my live recently. So I'm going to stick this back in here. I probably will put this in one of my full things and make a pocket out of it. So always reusing. Alright, so here I believe are the books that I'm actually going to put in. So let me show you the ones that I'm going to use. This one, and if you notice, all of these are plain. The outside are plain, and what I do is, on this one, this is just a plain book that came with it. I am decorating the cover on the inside, and I'll probably add some other stuff, which I will do on these as well. So this one is, and I wonder if it says, this is an updated week on 4 pages. So this is a planner. So it has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Can you guys, let me zoom in a little bit and move. Dropped that. It was a stamp, heavy stamp. Okay, hold on guys. All over the place. All right, so this is, and this is a pocket size. And then, so it has Monday through Friday trackers. Here's your trackers to do. Monday through Wednesday, it has where you can put pretty much anything. You can decorate it however you want. There is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So that's your week. So it's this one and this one. And then it starts all over again. That's definitely going in there. This is sleep tracker. I want to keep track of my sleep. So let me show you how this works. So right here, you put, it has like the date, and then here are the times. And you just color in the boxes for how much you slept. So that's definitely going in there. This is meals and groceries. So here is where you would put what you're going to eat every day. And then here's where you put, Elijah, be quiet. Here's where you put your grocery list. So then that is going in there because I'm big on that. So here is your mood tracker. So the way it works is, see how it says May, M-A-E? So that would be morning, afternoon, and evening. And then here is your days of the month. And then up here, or here, you put what month it is. And then down here, you would put bad. And I'm going to kind of color code mine. So bad mood would be that one, this color. Good mood would be like this color, and then you kind of fill it in, and then you can write whatever you want, and that is a mood tracker. I also did get, this is called Project Planning, and so let me show you this. So this is materials needed. It talks about, you can put how much it costs, how much you estimate that it costs, at actual cost, your start date, completed, materials needed, measurements, color palette, sketch, and notes. And I thought this one was really cool. So I also got, this one is just kind of like a bullet journal, but up here you can highlight what what month it is, and then the days of the month and the days of the week. So I have a plan on this, but I'm not sure how I'm going to use it. This one's kind of simple too. I got different ones because I want to figure out what works for me and stick to this. So this one is called Design Printed. Hold on, let me see. Back in the back it always says. This one is called it's Bullet Journal Block Pockets. So it has the pockets already. So like this would be kind of cool, as you could use this as a planner too. Like Monday, you could do whatever. Like, you know what I mean? And it just has them already. So I think I'm going to use this on something as well. They were on sale, so I kind of went crazy. This is a to-do list. So this is just to do, very simple, has the checks as you do it. And that one is a good one too. Okay, over here I got Happy Mail. And this one is a Happy Mail one, and it basically put name, address, social media, communication, date sent, date received, items, and then it repeats. So you can keep track of your Happy Mail. And then I think this is just a repeat. Okay, so this one is a cleaning tracker. So you can put your day of the week, the living room, the kitchen, the bedrooms, and then you could put the date, like certain, like you can put dust tracker, you could put like mop tracker, sweep tracker. So that's a cleaning tracker. And then that is a repeat of the Happy Mail. And then this is the meal and groceries, which I know I will use. And then it came with this beautiful vellum. How cute is this vellum, right? Alright, so that is my unboxing for 1407 planners. All this. I just wanted to share it with you guys. I hope that you are having a great, what's Wednesday? Happy Wednesday, everyone. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Bye, guys.
Ain't no one stopping you. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in.